Why wait for new construction when this like-new home is completely ready for new owners? Located on a 0.6-acre lot, this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath has been immaculately cared for. An open floor plan allows for a spacious living room/dining room, but could also be used as just a family room, as the eat-in kitchen offers plenty of sitting space. Off the kitchen, through sliding glass doors, a 2-level deck offers a great spot for entertaining. The laundry room and half-bath are also on the first level. Upstairs you will find a large primary bedroom with a private bath, double sinks and walk-in closet. The remaining 3 bedrooms are also a nice size, and a pull-down attic allows for extra storage. A 2-car attached garage, paved driveway, mature landscaping, and private backyard are additional perks to this home. Located near schools, shopping, and easy access to interstates, this home is the perfect location between Richmond and the Norfolk/Va Beach areas,